I cleaned out my hummingbird feeder. Look, there's a hummingbird. Hi. Wow. How cool. Holy moly, you guys. This is so pretty. Is there no room in the back for you or something?
We got those fence poles back there. She's acting like there's no room for her.
Hey, come on. Come on. You can sit up here with me.
Yeah, there's even less room up here, but she's okay with that. Just not sitting with those fiberglass poles. She probably associates it with the electric fence.
Oh. She didn't want to sit in the back. I don't blame you, puppy. I don't blame you. Good morning. What, babe?
We need to line these lines back up so I can respray them now that the rain is gone and I can see all obstacles in my way. I can see clearly now.
The rain is gone. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Grady Homestead. It's all Grady. We are back at our home site, our home build site this morning. We're gonna have to mark out some lines again because we had some rain and we've been doing digging. So we need to know where we gotta go. Well, we got some more digging done. We're making progress. But for now, we're gonna go ahead and take a break. As you've seen over the last couple of days, we got the laundry room all dried in. We got our clothes all washed and got more basement dug. So it's been a busy week so far, and yeah. It's going good though. We're making a lot of progress. We're almost there, you guys. And then our next step will be the footer. But, you know, everything takes time and we'll get there when we get there. And
Yep. First things first.
Yep.
Can't start the second phase till you're done with the first one.
But that is the next phase. Hey everyone, we're back up here. It's cooled off quite a bit. The sun's gone over the trees on that side. Marcel and Gage are checking the fluids on the tractor. And we're gonna try to dig for a little bit longer. Probably about another hour or so. Hey, babe.
Hey, what?
We forgot to get spray paint.
No, man.
Don't even look like it's working.
I don't know what it's doing here. I'm gonna try to scratch this line before I lose it forever.
Okay.
What in the world is this chicken doing? What are you doing? You're in so much trouble.
Oh my goodness.
Are they all in there?
I at least looked from the back.
Okay, because
You have to move fuzzy legs around.
yeah, but I didn't even see Comb Hawk in there. She's usually on this back corner, and I didn't see her.
Look on the roost right there.
Was she on the roost now?
Yeah, they're all three on the roost. She's on the roost now.
Oh, okay. Here's your camera. I'm gonna. Is that okay? You like it?
No.
I'll leave it if you like it. Do you like it or no?
You can leave it.
Uh-oh, I can't leave it. I already messed it up. Sorry. We'll keep it on the other side, but it's just like, it's so hard to get through there.
Oh, my chickies. It is that time of year where it is pretty loud outside. The cicadas are back. They're so crazy.
What? I know, they're acting out. Y'all grounded. I know you just waiting. You were just waiting to pay me back for some old days.
You suck it. You suck. You want me to carry something?
Carry that dry stuff. Let's carry it.
Well, we've had some small victories over the last few days. We were able to beat that pesky hose that was giving us problems. Had water shooting everywhere. Marcel figured that out. What did you do to that hose?
I'm not sure what you're talking about.
For the laundry room.
I just put a new end on it.
Yeah, new ends. So good thing we purchased all those ends.
Yeah, we bought a lot of repair stuff, but we bought hose repair kits. Different ends. And we just had to have 2 female ends on that hose. So where it broke, we cut it off, put another end on that sucker, and done.
Yeah.
Finito bandito.
So we're learning how to homestead things.
Yeah. We also heard it called rednecking.
Yeah, the hose was reused from one of our broken hoses.
Yeah, and the plumbing was reused from the plumbing we tore apart up here.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Everything. The only thing we purchased was the plugs, the washing machine, and the dryer, and the plywood.
Yeah. Yep.
And 5 sheet. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 8 sheets of plywood. The rest is all.
Yeah. 8 sheets of plywood.
Probably really dark for you guys. Don't get scared.
Well, it feels good to have the laundry room dried in, and a majority of the dirt work has, I mean, Marcel is killing it. It's been a slow and go process because, you know, our tractor's a little bit older, and Marcel is just
inexperienced.
Yeah, taking his time because he wants to do it right.
Yep. I don't want to overdo it.
Right.
So slow and go.
Yeah.
We're probably really dark now. We should tell a scary story.
These cicadas sound like a scary story.
Yeah, that's another thing. Cicadas suck.
And then the next thing you know, there's going to be pouring rain, and yeah, monsoon season's coming.
Was there a lot of rain last year during monsoon season? I don't remember. I remember a few rainstorms. I watched them just a little bit ago when you tried to binge watch our videos, man.
I'd have to say that the spring was definitely, it had a lot more water than the fall.
Yeah, for a monsoon season.
Yeah.
Last year, I don't remember a super wet time. Yeah, I still got a lot of digging to do, but
we're just about there.
I scratched my final line so I don't have to keep painting the ground.
He scratched his final line so he doesn't have to keep painting the ground right here. As you've seen,
my paint again, and I'm out. So we scratched this back line, and we scratched this edge, and that's the size of the house.
Yep. How exciting. We're getting so close to our next step, which is getting it level.
That's going to be a lot of work.
It is. Our next step is to work this level.
Yep, we just keep scratching. I'm going to come in and probably scratch this area because it's super high. And if I can get this a little bit better, it makes it easier to get back here, because if you have to drive into it, every time you get that. So I'm going to try to, now that I'm down low, I'm going to try to come back here and cut my way in and work it slowly.
Sounds like a good plan.
I don't know. We'll find out.
Alright everyone, well, it is getting super dark, so we thank you guys for following along on our journey. If you guys are enjoying our content, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a big thumbs up, ring that notification bell, and
share our videos.
oh yeah, share our videos.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.
See you on the next one.
All right.